Wow, that was a very stable and cinematic clip of my car shot using my latest gadget, the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and in my hands is the second generation of Insta360's all-in-one gimbal, the Flow 2 Pro. It might look like the previous one, but no, this is super life-changing. So let me show you now, okay? Let's go. If you look at it, you might think that it's just a handheld gimbal, but it can actually extend and become a selfie stick too. There are also legs, so you can turn them into a tripod and film yourself as you go. Setting up is super simple. Just unfold it and your iPhone will instantly display a pop-up to allow you to connect, much like connecting to the AirPods. This is because it supports Apple's Dockkit, which allows instant connection and control of the Flow 2 Pro. Then you can also clip your iPhone using the provided magnetic phone clamp. That's all, so let's start shooting some clips. So before this, I wasn't very convinced with gimbals like this because I don't want to use their respective apps to shoot videos, because I always believe that the Apple camera app produces the best quality videos. But it all changes now because of Apple Dockkit. We can just use the iPhone camera and it can even track movements like what you saw just now. But of course, it works with most third-party apps too, for example, Instagram. Now, because of Apple Dockkit and how tightly they are integrated, we can also control the Flow 2 Pro using Apple Watch. What? See, this means you can even shoot and control the camera when you are far away from your iPhone. Something I've never experienced before with other brands is 360 infinite pan tracking, and that also means this thing can actually turn 360 degrees without being blocked. Some older gen gimbals can only turn 180 degrees, not the full thing, yeah? And this actually limits creativity and movement. Now we can totally forget about the limitations and just run round and round and round. Perfect for when we are doing house tours, product presentations and more. Speaking of moving freely, we can now freely pan, crane or tilt without any limitations. As much as we can forget about using third-party apps, because now we can straight away use the iPhone camera to shoot and also track, the Insta360 app here can actually provide extra features as well. For example, AI Deep Track 4.0, which means we can track more efficiently and also track subjects even when the subject is being blocked. It can even track animals, but since I don't have animals here to show you, you just have to try it with your own pets, okay? One feature I like is the hand gesture. Holding the hand up allows the app to start or stop recording, start or stop taking photos, which you can't even do when you're using the iPhone camera only. Now let's take a look at some accessories. First one is the magnetic phone mount, which is perfect for iPhone users with MagSafe. Because now you don't have to clip the phone anymore, just attach it magnetically on the back and you're done. With this, it saves one step, allowing you to film faster. There's also a spotlight accessory. This one is a small light that you can actually light up yourself as you are vlogging under low light. There are 3 temperatures and 3 brightness to choose from. So here's a sample selfie vlog with the spotlight turned on. So I can actually still light my face up when I'm in a dark area. So what do you think of the Insta360 Flow 2 Pro? I personally think that it is one of the best gimbals in the market now. And when it comes to battery, according to Insta360, this thing can actually last for 10 hours. But that's based on my own usage because I don't usually shoot back-to-back videos for hours. I only shoot multiple clips of few seconds each. So if you want to know more about the brand new Insta360 Flow 2 Pro, check out everything in the description below this video. If you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, okay? And share this video with your friends. Also, follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!